how to share your Amazon Prime membership with a family member. Open up Amazon.com, hover over your name, and then you want to select account. Once we click on account, we want to scroll down until we find your Amazon Family Manage Profile Sharing and Permissions in one place. Click on that option, and now from here you will see your current Amazon family, and you just want to select new, add a new member. Now you will have the option of sharing with your children, or you can send an invite to an adult family member who has an Amazon account. So invite a family member to share benefits and content using their own Amazon account. Once we click on that option, then we will need to type their name and email in this field. So I'm just going to do that and click on continue. Once you type out this information, then you will see share wallets to verify you live together. So just as household members share expenses, sharing wallet helps verify that you and that person are part of the same household. For security, all payment methods are protected. Only the last 4 digits and expiration date will be visible to the person whom you have invited. Wallet sharing is required in order to share digital content. So here, if you click on share wallet and continue, then it's going to display the information which we just mentioned above, and then they will need to check their email address for the invitation. And once they open up their email address and find the email, they will need to accept the invitation, and you can begin sharing your Prime membership with them that way. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.